Hi guys, and today we have question 6, October 2022. When the temperature of the metal wire increases, the resistance of the wire increases. Which of the following explains the increase in resistance? As you see, there is a directly proportional between the temperature and resistance. So let me describe what's meant by temperature. Temperature is directly proportional to the average kinetic energy, and there is a formula for this, which is 3 over 2 kb delta T. This one is the Boltzmann constant, the kb. The delta T is the change in the temperature. So once we have an increase in temperature, that it means in physics average kinetic energy of the particles. Resistance is how much opposes the electric current. The resistance increases here because we have kind of collisions between the lattice ions and the free electrons, or the flow of electrons, or of the electric current. Okay, so there is a directly proportional, definitely, between the temperature and resistance. But back to the formula, which is I know some students that are not familiar with this formula. Only the students they do Unit 4 or the A-level or the 13 students, they may not be familiar with this formula. Keep in your mind here, I'm dealing with a metal wire, and metal wire has free electrons and as a kind of a solid material. So I would say the temperature increases because of the vibrational kinetic energy. I'm not going to say it's average kinetic energy. I would say it's average vibrational kinetic energy. So when the flow of electrons as electric current passes through the wire, and the lattice ions, they're already there. So we have a kind of collisions between the free electrons, or the flow of electrons, and the lattice ions. So the particles inside, or the lattice ions, start to vibrate more and more, and the displacement of the lattice ions increase more because of the more collisions happened. So the size of the amplitude, it means a maximum displacement. You can take this point from the point of the oscillation as well, when the particles they receive, or the lattice the lattice ions, they receive too much energy, and as a result, so they vibrate more and more with increase in the size of the displacement, and the amplitude increases as well. So here we have directly proportional between the temperature, and which is directly proportional to the resistance in the metal wire. The resistance, again, it's a kind of how much opposes the electric current, the friction between, or the collisions between the free electrons and the lattice ions, and the temperature, it means the average vibrational kinetic energy of the lattice ions, and as a result, the amplitude increases of the lattice vibrations. So the correct answer is B. If you love the video, share and like and subscribe, and wait for the next video. Thank you.